All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a famous athlete you know. So,
I know many athletes and sportsmen, but now I'm going to talk about Muhammad Ali, who is the Pakistani athlete. He recently won a gold medal. I came to know about him on many news channels who are describing about his success, and some channels invited him, and he do interview, and he described about his past and present successes. He achieved, which he received many awarded and money from government. His good thing is that he donated all the charity to the poor people. This thing is very inspiring about him. That's why I like about him.
okay, you spoke for 48 seconds. So I told you I will stop you. You should just continue and you should speak. In
Right.
actual exam also, never stop before you get the signal from the examiner.
Right.
Overall, it is fine, but you are lacking connectivity of ideas. Most of your sentences are simple sentences without compound sentences or without connecting words. So you should focus that, okay?
Right.
Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What kinds of exercises do people like to do in your country?
In my country, most of the people like to remain cool and calm and don't focus on exercise. But most of the people like to walk and yoga. Most of the people who like yoga and exercise have good physique. On the other way, people who don't like exercise and physical fitness, they are suffering many diseases like
Okay, they
obesity and
suffer from many
diabetes.
diseases, but this is away from the scope of the question. The question is what kind of exercises? Yoga,
Yoga and
running, walking,
exercise.
jogging. Just talk about
Morning.
them and try to use signpost language. For example, what kind of exercises? First of all, people love
Like,
to do yoga.
right.
Then there are some youngsters who do jogging. Explain jogging a little in 1 to 2 sentences. And finally, some people go for morning or evening walk. So
Walk.
these 3 exercises are very common in my country. Something like this.
Right.
Signpost language, connectivity of ideas, and fluency. You should focus all that, right?
Right.
Thank you.